Take your friends on a fried chicken trip with this crazy crispy cornflakes fried chicken sandwich drenched in my special scholar sauce. Marinate chicken thighs in buttermilk with paprika, cayenne, onion and garlic powder and a splash of JD. Mix mayonnaise, Dijon yellow mustard, MSG, salt, pepper, paprika, onion and garlic powder. Honey, Maggi, hot sauce, jalapeno, chives and a splash of JD. Crushed cornflakes. Bread the chicken. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder and the same spices as the marinade. Whisk 2 eggs into the buttermilk. Dunk the chicken. Coat it in cornflakes. Go out to the balcony and fry the chicken. It's ready when it's golden brown and floats. Toast brioche buns. Put sauce on top and bottom. Sweet pickles, chicken. Call your friends over and enjoy that beautiful chicken.